fine. Now you come around signifying a woman. You don't wanna let me ride. Mustang Sally, now baby. I guess you better slow your Mustang down. You've been running all over the town. Woo! I guess you better